This is a Correctional Administration pointers in Criminology licensure exam. Please comment down below for any suggestion or any error you found in this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. The prison for convicted female having a sentence of more than 3 years of imprisonment. It is located at Mandaluyong City, that established in 1931 by Act No. 3579, having a 18 hectares total land area. The answer is C. Correctional Institution for Women. In cases where an inmate gave birth while serving her sentence inside the prison, what is the agency that has the right to interfere for infant's care if the mother fails to place the baby in a home of her own? The answer is D. DSWD. These are long, low, narrow, single-deck ships, propelled by sails, usually rowed by criminals. This ship is used in transportation of criminals in the 16th century. The answer is C. Galleys. The manner or practice of managing or controlling places of confinement, as in jails or prisons. The answer is A. Penal management. The following are the main legal system in the world, which have been extended to and adopted by all countries, except the answer is B. Martial law. Inmates placed under a maximum security facility are considered as The answer is A. All of the foregoing. This agency has general supervision and control of all national penitentiaries. It is charged with the safekeeping of all insular prisoners confined therein or committed to the custody of the Bureau. The answer is C. Bureau of Correction. Its unique features of incarceration were adopted by most European countries. The answer is A. Pennsylvania prison system. A penal institution, considered as prison without walls, only mutual trust and confidence between the warden and prison's authorities keeps them together. The answer is A. Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm. The Philippine jail system is modeled after the The answer is C. Federal Bureau of Prisons of the United States. This refers to any person, detained or confined in jail or prison, for the commission of a criminal offense, or convicted, and serving in a penal institution. The answer is C. PDL. Which of the following is thought to be the cornerstone of reformation? The answer is C. Prison education.